Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Shubham Malhotra. I cleared my FMGE exam in January 2023. So this video is going to be very unfiltered and raw with all my FMG friends, those who are going to appear in upcoming FMG exams. So this video is about motivation, but trust me guys, you don't need any motivation. The only motivation that you need is you have to pass this exam at all sorts. I know it's tough, I know it's hard, I know the amount of sacrifice it needs, it demands, but you have to do this. There is no other choice. I know it's very tough when all your relatives, when your friends are not studying, but you have to study. You have to keep your eyes open day in, day out. Studying for 6 months is not an easy job. That is why we are doctors. It's not easy to operate for 18 hours, for 12 hours. So this preparation is going to prepare you for the upcoming struggle in your doctor's journey. Remember that day when you didn't pass your NEET UG. When your relatives, when your friends were asking your parents that your son or daughter didn't pass the exam. Are they not intelligent enough? But you knew, your parents knew that you had the knowledge. It was just a matter of time. So God gave you a chance to become a doctor. You survived all the hardships in these foreign countries, Ukraine, China, Philippines. You adapted. You made new friends. You cried. Nobody was there. In India, with Indian medical graduates, they have the emotional support, but foreign medical graduates, they don't have that emotional support outside India. You survived all that on your own. You passed all the exams in these foreign countries on your own. Trust me guys, you have the knowledge. I know it's hard because this exam is particularly associated with the social stigma of becoming an Indian licensed doctor. It's not just about passing this exam. But I'll tell you the approach that I had when I was giving this exam. In my mind, I was very clear. If I want to pass this exam, you have to be deserving. There is no other choice. If you are deserving, nobody can stop you to pass this exam. So, trust me guys, there are going to be 100 things here and there, but the one main thing that you have to keep in your mind is, are you deserving or not? If you think you are deserving, nobody is going to stop you. And how to become deserving? You have to follow the process. You have to trust the resources that you are using. You have to trust the resources, guys. Revise 3 to 4 times, practice questions, mocks, and then give the exam. And give it like you are treating your patients, not like you're going to get good marks, less marks, social stigma, parents' pressure, family pressure, friends' pressure, nothing like that. You have to treat your patients. You are going to get 300 patients on that day. And in order to save 150 patients, come on guys, 150 patients is not that a big deal. So if you think you can save them, you are good to go. If you think you are not going to save these 150 patients out of 300, then my friend, there is no need to study. Then how will you survive in future? And whenever you feel like don't study, think about your parents' emotions. Think about the investment that they made in you. Think about the finances, the struggles, the sacrifices that they made for you. So just keep studying for these 3 months. Follow the process, revise 3 to 4 times, and that is it. If you feel like no studying, kindly take a break. Take a 1 or 2 hour break, watch Netflix, go out, walk, talk with your family, talk with your friends, listen to music, dance, and then come back again. That is the only thing which will help you in longer terms. And trust me guys, passing this exam is worth it. After passing this exam, you are going to become a doctor for your lifetime. You are going to become financially independent. Nobody can take this degree from you. After this, if you want to do PG or not, if you want to do USMLE, if you want to do PLAB, if you want to do AMC, it doesn't matter. You are a doctor, and that is a very big achievement. When you will see the PDF of you becoming a doctor, when you will see pass in front of your name, you will close your eyes and you will remember the sacrifices that you made. So don't stop, don't give up, grind, 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 stop, take a rest, grind, but don't give up. This is not your dream. This is your parents' dream. This is your family's dream. So remember the sacrifice, remember the power within yourself. We all have that power, especially the foreign medical graduates. Thank you.